Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. As you guys can see from the title, today is going to be a regular old hair tutorial with this tiny little different detail, and that is the camera I'm using today. I'm filming on the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. So yeah, this is currently the front camera, and I wanted to start off with this camera so you guys can kind of see what it looks like, and then I'll do some other parts with the back camera, some with the front, with the zoom, with the wide angle, the close-up thing, the regular. Like, I'm just gonna play with it and see what we can do with this camera. And right now I'm using a mix of daylight, or I guess natural light, and a bit of light, an umbrella light as well. All right, so yeah, that is it for the lighting. So that's why I feel like my complexion looks really good. My teeth look bright and white. My hair looks okay. It doesn't give it the color that I want. I kind of usually like a bit more of a contrast on my hair, like this. Maybe not so dark, but you know what I mean? And you can also adjust while filming, which is nice. All right, so enough talking. Let's get right into this video and see what this camera can really do for all our beauty capturing needs. Okay, let's go. Alright, so we are done with this video. I'm probably gonna go in my hair with a bit of castor oil just to break the seal, break the cast a little bit. I will be real, my hair does feel a little bit dry and crunchy, but I'm sure you guys know because I only use WETLINE gel and a bit of castor oil for this wash and go. So obviously my hair is gonna feel a little bit crisp, but I just wanted something that was gonna be very defined and last a couple days. So we'll see how that goes. This is my first time doing a full wash and go with just WETLINE. So far it feels less dry than Eco Styler, but not as hydrating as my natural gels that I like to use. So anyways, okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will say that this camera is great for Instagram video making because it stays in a small screen and it probably looks better on the phone. I don't know how this is going to turn out on big screens like a iMac or a TV or anything like that, but for mobile watching, I'm sure this looks great. And this makes my life so much easier because it's a nice alternative if I'm traveling and I want to film a video. I don't have to carry all my filming stuff with me. This is something I can bring and know that I can still produce pretty decent quality content. I love the different features that they have on this camera, especially for pictures. I can put this right into my iMovie editor and do something amazing, you know, and I'm able to do the wide angle lens, which is so good because when it comes to vlogging, you really want to get what's around you, you know. So I'm so happy they added that. That was my main reason I never wanted to use an iPhone to vlog, was because the camera wasn't wide enough. And now that they have that feature, my life is complete and I can now vlog with this phone. So with that being said, the zoom, the close-up camera, I feel like isn't amazing. It does get a little bit less detailed, of course, with many zooms, but it's not bad. So I'm really happy that this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some perspective into whether or not this is something you could invest into for vlogging or beauty filming and picture taking needs. For pictures, I will say it is bomb.com. For videos, I will say it's pretty good. It's kind of like having a nice point and shoot camera. But yeah, so that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out my other videos, follow me on Instagram, all that stuff, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Bye.